Hi everyone, Peter here. So today I am going to go through the install of a Snorkel replacing the factory area. So you can see here we've gone for the TJM Airtec. So the reason we chose this one is a lot cheaper than the usual one that everyone goes for, the Safari, and it doesn't require any cutting, so it should just be a simple in and out. Fitting time on the instructions that were provided says 2 hours, but I saw a rec on Instagram that it is in 45 minutes, so that's the target. I also got the uni filter for when we do our trip later in the year. It's going to be pretty dusty. That was 49 bucks, and we got the Snorkel at a discount because they're having a sale on 10% off, so it's 431 bucks, which is pretty reasonable. So fitting it myself, no fitting costs, so it's more than half the price of going for a Safari one, so we'll see how it all goes. And for fitting, all we're going to need is a 12mm socket, 5mm Allen key, and just a big flathead screwdriver. I don't think we're going to need anything else, but if we do, I'll let you know. Probably a good idea to read the instructions, eh? They look pretty detailed, so that's good. Lots of pictures. How many steps? 18 supposedly. Anyway, let's see how we go. Okay, so all done. Took 42 minutes. Sorry, Rick, beat you by 3. But yeah, no, it is super simple install. If I can do it, then anyone can. So it looks pretty damn good, I reckon. Uses all the existing mounting points on the side. I must say though, the powder coating on the washers and the bolts supplied is absolutely disgraceful. I would have thought they could have done a far better job, but anyway. So yeah, use the existing mounting points. It comes with its own bracket. I mean, that side of things is really simple to do. Connect it up to the airbox in here, just with that supplied hose and those clamps. That's pretty time consuming, that part, because you're trying to fit the square part of the Snorkel into the round hose. But what I found the easiest way to do that is just to put your weight behind it while you're holding the hose and push it, and it sort of slips in. But that wasn't too difficult. The hardest and most painful part was taking this bloody thing out of this thing here. Trying to get that out was a nightmare. So that took the longest. It probably took me 10 minutes, but if you're going to do it, make sure you take the clamp off and bring it through this side. The pictures tell you to bring it through on the other side, which I wouldn't do that. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good for what it costs. There we go, we've got a sealed Snorkel now. Let me know if you got any questions about it, but if I can do it, anyone can.